Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual, an online training resource for the performing arts. Have a good class.
Okay, so now we've done our technical warm-up in the centre. We're ready to do more of a sequence or a phrase. Let's start facing the sides. We're going to think about our right shoulder taking us back. That's the where we initiate this first movement from. So I'm going to take it round. I've got right, left. And the hips are still facing the side, and this is a parallel tendu. This arm is just carving through the space with a nice spiral. I'm then going to scoop, to step, to slice into a nice low lunge there, and these arms are nice and straight. From there, I've got a long leg to bring it in. So you could take that leg as high as you want. I'm coming through in the elbow to step behind, through in the elbow to step behind. Then this arm is going to come through to find a nice low lunge, keeping the shoulders down. From here, I'm going to slice to take you down. Now with that slice, the more you send the energy in up and out, the less you will bang on the floor. So really send the energy up with that arm to go down. From there, you're gonna push your hips up and make a nice kind of tabletop with your belly. You're gonna take this arm all the way round into a nice lunge on your right leg. From there, push back to find this moment. Yeah, so I'm pushing my hips forwards. I'm still facing the diagonal that way. From there, I've got a little jump, taking the arms to a diamond shape to push through, and you're finding your balance on your right foot. I'm pushing the space back. That's a flexed attitude parallel. Yeah. Are we okay to there? Shall I carry on? Great. From there, I'm going step back to here again. So we're repeating that lunge. I'm going to swap the arms and legs to find this kind of position here in the legs. Now from here, you're going to send the fingertips through the center of that arm. That's your initiation for this next step. You're then grabbing your ankles at the same time as tilting and turning all at once. So we're just going through this way to step. Yeah, so it's the supporting leg is straight and the right leg is in an attitude, and you're flexing that right foot, and trying to grab those ankles. As soon as you come out of it, I'm jumping up to reach to land in a lunge, to find this position. And the right hand is on top of the left hand. You're in a parallel. Your elbow is going to jet back to find the palms again. You're going to circle round this way, opening out. I've got a shift and shift into second to curve to step. So that turn is a flexed foot. Again, parallel on a plie. You're just curving the spine over to step towards the back, because then you're going to lengthen that right foot. It's almost like you're trying to poke that back wall there, yes. From there, you're going poke. You're then going to go to an attitude, bring it in. Yeah, so I'm coming attitude in to find this position. Last little thing, you're going to go step, turn, step. You're going to have something in your hands. You're going to headbutt it to then walk to finish. Yeah? Okay, so let's recap that phrase for both of us. Let's go over a few key moments. So you're starting in parallel. Now I'm softening the legs pretend as if someone's pushed that right shoulder back. That's what's going to turn you, soft legs, to then take all of this space round, and I'm gradually coming to straight legs here to then really get down in those legs for that scoop, step, slice into a nice long leg. to then use your back here to carve the space, to find that slice down. You're then pushing up, keep that arm moving, so as soon as my hips go up, those fingertips lead to lengthen that lunge to push back. Find the focus all the way to that back diagonal here, to then jump. Little jump here to push, to go step, repeat this lunge, to then swap the arms and legs. Now this moment is coming from the fingertips. So we're going round, step, jump, plank. Good, from there, prayer, elbow down. All the way round, you've got 2 chassés, 1, 2, turn, to go step, poke, attitude, down. Then you're turning out that leg to go step, turn, step, hit, walk. Yeah.
Please subscribe, like and hit the notification bell for Italia Conti Virtual, online training for the performing arts.